My name is Manuela Pichler. I develop Power Apps. I help other people develop Power Apps, and I help IT manage what's being created. A lot of our workforce isn't based in the office. They're mobile and they need the data they require at the time they need it without going back to an office to check the information on a desktop. One that made kind of the most impact, it's an app to complete safety and compliance checklists. You just go through a couple of questions, make sure that people are wearing the safety footwear, the high-vis jackets, equipment is stored in the correct places. It allows the team to see trends, see improvements, highlight areas that have been done really well. It was a great example of working well together with the engineering team.
I'm Nick Whitaker, Head of Platform Engineering and DevOps at Virgin Atlantic. Microsoft is a key partner for us in trying to get us towards more agility, more DevOps ways of working. We are using Azure DevOps as the key spine to our delivery pipeline.
Our data and insights platform is being built out within Azure using a multiplicity of components available through Azure, such as Azure Data Warehouse, Data Factory, Databricks, Cosmos DB, and SQL databases. Using the Power Platform has allowed our business users to rapidly deploy lightweight front-end solutions that are well-governed, well-defined, heavy-lifting building blocks for solutions that are based into the Azure cloud. This strategy allows us to free up our in-house developers to focus on high-value pieces of work.
Traditionally, mobile software development is pricey and lengthy and requires a very specific set of skills. It's just never been this easy and this quick to create applications.